Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster dipping sauce. Let's start with the absolute classic, a simple yet incredibly delicious melted butter. You'll want to gently melt 1 stick, or about 113 grams, of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over low heat. The key here is to avoid boiling it, as that can change its flavor. Just let it slowly become liquid gold, then skim off any foam for a perfectly clear, rich dip. Next up, let's elevate our butter with some bright and aromatic flavors. To your gently melted butter, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Let it infuse for a minute or 2 over very low heat, but don't let the garlic brown. Then, stir in the zest and juice from 1/2 of a fresh lemon. This adds a wonderful tang. Finish it off with about 1 tablespoon of fresh, chopped parsley for a pop of color and herbaceousness. If you're craving something with a bit more kick, this creamy, spicy mayo dip is fantastic. In a small bowl, combine 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with about 2 tablespoons of sriracha. You can always adjust the sriracha to your personal spice preference. Whisk it all together until smooth, then add 1 teaspoon of fresh lime juice. This brightens the flavors and cuts through the richness, making it incredibly addictive with your lobster. Finally, for a fresh and herbaceous option, let's make a delightful dill butter. Take 1/2 cup of softened, unsalted butter and mix it thoroughly with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill. The fresh herbs really shine here. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of lemon zest for an extra layer of fragrant citrus. A pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper will complete this elegant and flavorful dipping sauce, perfect for enhancing your lobster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.